What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a different area. If you've seen my last video, which again I will post the link up above, I have a pizza trailer, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make pizza in my pizza trailer. So I got my ovens cranked on. Let's take a look and see what we're looking at as far as temperature. 530 degrees Fahrenheit on this right one, and around 570. So I'm going to turn the oven up just a little bit. And I'm going to be running both ovens. I'm going to be making two pizzas at the same time. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Let's go ahead and get two of our pizza pills here. And these are my most used ones, as you can tell. So anytime when I'm making pizza, I'm in service, I like to have my dough out. And as you can tell, I don't have my typical dough trays like you would see in pizzerias. Only because like the limited space that I have in my trailer, I feel that using something like this is so much better and doesn't take up as much space. And so I could put all that into my dough fridge there. And of course, like I said, it doesn't take up a lot of space. And one thing that I do like about using these is that it keeps the dough balls round. So I'm not having to fuss and try to get them out. It's round from the moments here into my semolina and on here. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that. Be making just two simple pizzas, again a margherita pizza and a pepperoni pizza. Comment down below if you guys are liking these types of videos. Again, this is all about my pizza trailer now, making pizzas inside my trailer. So let's go ahead and get to it. What I like to do first is I'll get my dough ball, throw some of my semolina on there, and then I just spin it, and basically what that does is just helping it come out. And then once it's out, flop it in there. Okay. And then I'll put one here, and then I'll get our second one. And the same thing, semolina. And normally I'm making two pizzas at the same time. Usually that's kind of how my orders come through. So I'm making two at a time. And well, of course, that's what I could only do really at this time. So I'll put that one, and then I'll kind of just get some of that semolina off. And then I'm just stretching it, building that nice crust. Get a little bit more semolina there. Building that crust nice and round. And again, comment down below if you guys are interested in any videos that you'd want to see as well. This is some leftover dough from my service yesterday, so I just figured I'd show you guys how I make pizza. And so usually I'll stretch one dough first. I'll put that onto my pill, and again place it here. Then I'll get my second one, same thing, we'll get this one stretched out. Flip that one over. Same thing, get this stretched out, flipped over. All right. And this helps me also with my service, making, speeding things up as well. Because if I'm just doing one pizza at a time, then unfortunately that does take a little bit longer. So once this one's stretched out, then I put it here. I'll get my next one. Like I said, because I'm making a margherita and a pepperoni, we'll get both of them sauced up here. All right. And then we'll get our next one. Get a little bit more on this one. This will be the margherita. And yeah, check out my new videos that I'll be putting out. Of course, if you haven't seen my latest videos, again, go out to my channel. All right, and both pizzas get some Parmesan. So we'll just do a heavy amount of that. All right, put that there. Do our margherita. Nice fresh basil. All right, get a little bit more since I grabbed 2 either way. Get this open. All right, and we're gonna go down with our cheese. This is just some shredded grande cheese. And I really like using this cheese lately. And so we'll just go down with both pizzas here. And if you guys know of any other ways that are faster, also comment, let me know. You know, I'm always interested in that as well. All right, then I grab my pepperoni and we just go down with that here. And just make it nice and even. Get this closed up. Let's give a nice final stretch here. Same with this one. All right, and then we're gonna go straight into the oven. All right, so before we go into the oven, we'll just do one last check. 605, so we're looking pretty good. I'll take that. All right, and margarita will go into this oven here. Push that there. And this one, same thing. And straight in there. And now we got both pizzas cooking. We're gonna be watching both of these pizzas cook. And so we'll see which one is gonna be moving a little bit quicker than what we're currently at. So let's watch that. So it looks like this one margarita is moving a little bit quicker. So we'll go ahead, check the bottom. Bottom's looking good. And we do a full complete 180. Turn on this one. Crust is looking pretty good. Pepperoni is moving just a little bit slower, so we'll let that one go. And they're both smelling good. Get this one spun around just a little bit more. Bottom's cooking. All right, so this one's nice. All right, and then we just have one more area here. All right, just this little area. And I'm constantly watching the other pizza as well, just to make sure it's not burning. All right, and just like that, we're gonna go ahead and get this one out. Let's get it slid right here. And then we'll go into this one here now. And we'll spin this one back around. And so if I was making pizza for my customers, then of course it would go onto a box. But in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it. You can see it nice and cooked all the way around, looking pretty good. Now this bottom is looking nice and good here as well. And again, if you made it this far, comment, drop some likes on this video, share with your friends, your family. And now we're just going to be cooking this crust a little bit more here. And again, what I love about the stand is that I'm able just to rest my pizza pill, my turning pill, so it helps get this cooking nicely. And we're just going to finish this off here, almost close to finishing. And I did have some comments in my last video asking, you know, is the left oven, you know, a lot cool, you know, I guess is the right oven a lot hotter than the right oven? And it kind of depends, you know. I'm still kind of tweaking with the settings on this and seeing where it goes. So I haven't really figured out why the right oven does cook a little bit faster and why it does get hotter. But again, still just kind of messing with that. And so this one's looking pretty good now. Just want a little bit more color on that crust. All right, I think we're looking pretty good now at this point. So I'm gonna get this one out. And this is the pepperoni pizza. We got the margarita pizza. Both are looking really, really nice. I'll move this over here. And again, that's how I cook my pizzas in my Gozney domes inside of my pizza trailer. Super simple setup for me. You know, again, it's not super complicated, but as you can see, it does put out some pretty good pizzas. Customers are definitely liking it, so I appreciate everyone liking, commenting on my videos. If you haven't checked out my other videos, again, take a look at my channel. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. Again, any questions you guys have, but I just wanted to do this quick video, show you guys how I make pizzas in my pizza trailer. We'll talk soon.